How to add Twitch link to your Instagram bio. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Twitch link to your Instagram bio. For that, you will need to ensure that your Instagram account is switched to creator mode. Once you have done that, open your Twitch application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and from this page you will need to select Creator Dashboard option. Once you select it, now you'll be presented with this interface. Here tap on the Stream Manager option. Once you tap on Stream Manager, on the Stream Manager page you'll be able to see various options at the bottom of the screen. From here you will need to select Share Stream option. Tap on it and this will present you the Twitch link. Tap on the copy icon at the right side and this will help you to copy the link. Once after doing that, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Also ensure that your account is switched to creator mode. If your account is not already in creator mode, you can simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and in this page tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down and find For Professional section. Under it, you will be able to see account types and tools. Tap on it and once you reach to this page, here you will be able to see the option Switch to Professional account. In order to switch to creator mode, first of all, you will need to select this option. Tap on this option and here you will need to tap on this Continue button until you reach to the final page. And after that, here you will need to select a category that best describes you and tap on this Turn button below. Here you must select this Creator option on this page. Once selected, tap on the Next button below to proceed further. Now here are 7 steps that you will need to set up in order to complete your professional account. But for now, you can simply tap on the cross button at the top left. Once your account has been switched to creator mode, now here you will need to tap on the Edit Profile button right here. Once you tap on Edit Profile, you'll be taken to the profile information page. Here, you'll be able to see Add Link option just below your bio. Tap on it and here tap on Add External Link. Now you will need to paste your copied link from your Twitch account in this URL box. Tap on the URL box and paste the copied link. Here this is the stream link of your Twitch account. From here you will need to remove some words. From the last, here you will need to tap on this cross button from your keyboard and remove it up to question mark. After that, tap on this box ahead of this HTTPS and remove all words from ahead of this link. Now this is your Twitch link. If in case you don't want to add your link like this, you may directly type in twitch.tv/ and your username. Simply doing that, you'll be able to add your Twitch link. Now in the title box, tap on it and type in Twitch Dear. Once you type in Twitch, now you can tap on the tick mark at the top right of the screen. Wait for a while and now you have successfully added Twitch link to your Instagram bio. You can check it by returning back to the previous page. Here you can refresh the page and there you'll be able to see your Twitch link in your Instagram bio. So by following these steps, you should be able to add Twitch link to your Instagram bio. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.